Emily Osmond. Hey.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good.
Good. I understand this is a really busy week for you. How many cities will it be by the time you make it here tomorrow?
600,000. Honestly, I don't know. That's a good question. I should figure that out. I should make a map and put little pins in it.
You could have started up like a Foursquare tracing earlier in the week, and then.
Oh, that would have been cool. You're a little too late there. Come on.
Well, I'm sorry. We're just talking now. So, what are you rocking out to on your iPod when you're on the road trip this week?
Oh, that's a really good question. I'm listening to weird things like the Yeager album, Odd Blood, and of course I have the new Script record.
Wow. So, are we going to see like a lot of heavy black eye makeup on you later on down the road with the rocker thing?
Not on me, no.
Cool. Now, on Fight or Flight, I understand you had some, speaking of heavy rocker stuff, you had some interesting co-writers and co-producers on Fight or Flight, right?
I absolutely did, yeah. It was one of the greatest experiences. It took me almost a year to write this record, and it was honestly because I did want to find the right people to work with.
Mm-hmm.
And I wrote most of the record with Adam Schlesinger. We just sat down and just started creating, and it was amazing. And he just understood what type of music I wanted to make and wanted to ride that line of like dance music meets soul and jazz.
That's really cool. When we get to hang out with you tomorrow, everybody's going to get a chance to meet you. Everybody's going to get a chance to get your autograph and shoot a picture with you, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Fantastic. All right. Thank you so much for taking the time. I know that you're like headed right at the door, so don't want to keep you any longer. Emily, thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.
Emily Osmond, thank you so much. Spotsylvania Town Center tomorrow, 1 to 3 p.m. It is a free event. Check it out, traffic now. 95 southbound, heavy.